Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your website on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on save, then it's going to take you to your profile here like you say, then you just go up, you click here in app, then it's going to show for you this window. You click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on public profile, then it's going to take you to your public profile, then you click here on website, and here you can add all your traffic to your site or your profile or your website you have here in this window. And you, when you're done, you click here on done, and it's going to save with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.